Alright guys, I went to the store, got myself a snake. It's a toy snake actually, obviously. Alright, I'm gonna go pick my brother up here while he's sleeping. There he goes. Alright. Put it in his face. Here we go. Haha.
What, is that real?
Yeah, it's real. We can talk about this. We're family, remember?
Family, right?
Yeah, we're family, yeah.
I don't even think you're gonna be able to say that word when I'm done with you.
Oh shit.